Imagine waking up to a world where robots handle everything. Your job, your daily tasks, even decision-making. Would this be paradise or a nightmare? Robots are advancing faster than ever. Tesla's Optimus can already walk, carry objects, and respond to voice commands. Boston Dynamics Atlas is running, jumping, and even doing parkour. AI models like ChatGPT and OpenAI Sora are pushing automation into new territories. But should we be excited or terrified? A quick history. Robots started as simple industrial machines. AI was just an idea. Now, they're becoming more lifelike, with artificial intelligence that can think, learn, and adapt. Boston Dynamics robots are used for security and even police work. Tesla's Optimus is designed to replace human labor. And AI from companies like OpenAI and Google DeepMind could power the brains of future machines. Should we be worried? Sci-fi warns us. Terminator, Ex Machina, stories of AI turning against us. In reality, robots could replace jobs, bring biases, or even be used in warfare. But there's also an upside. Safer workplaces, advanced healthcare, and automation solving labor shortages. The future of robots isn't set in stone. It depends on how we build and control them. So, will AI and robots create a golden age, or will they surpass us? What do you think? Should we be excited or afraid?